9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Are you ready? I'm ready. This is great exercise.
So is this.
Just mustard, thank you.
Do you know what's in that thing?
No, and please don't tell me. I'm about to eat it.
Every waste product known to meat packers. Skin, ears, cow lips.
I love cow lips.
How can you do that to your body?
Well, I was a vegetarian. I can't eat that, you guys. Sorry.
It has white stuff on it.
No, it has white cookie stuff on it. I don't know, but there was no way.
Okay, now quiet, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2. What does a degree have to do with minding an art gallery?
Allie, there are 8 million people in the naked city and only 2 jobs. Today you have to be a master's in order to be a panhandler. I'm not gonna leave it like that. Allie, there are 8 million people in the naked city and only 2 jobs. These days you have to have a master's in order to be a panhandler.
Yeah.
Allie, there are 8 million jobs in the naked city.
8 million at once.
You didn't get the job?
No.
Something I said?
No, something?
Vivian Lee thought that Robert Taylor was dead, and his rotten parents never told her that he was still alive.
4, 3, 2.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. Kate's gonna sing you a lullaby.
For wandering one.
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Did ever maiden wake from dream of homely duty? For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow.
She's not a jolly good fellow. She's not a jolly good fellow.
That nobody can deny. All McArdles in the ground. E-I-E-I-O.
Because you come to me with not safe love.
Happy birthday, dear Chip. Happy birthday to you. Nobody up there wants cake, do they?
I know I'm sublimating.
I'm without taste.
Who's the cake for?
They're not acting now. They're making mistakes.
Good, I'm sorry, you guys. It's just that I never had to dress to meet a
You don't have to pay us, Allie. You may.
Good night, fiancé. Just think, pretty soon I'll be able to learn my lines.
Hold it a second. I'm not leading Allie on. I mean, I'm perfectly well aware that she doesn't know exactly what I want.
Really?
Whatever that means.
I don't know what to say to that. Allie, let me ask you a question. Let's say that a person finds out from another person who doesn't want to tell a third person that a fourth person is doing something wrong. Now, would it be telling for this if... You mean, oh, wow?
Me too.
Yeah, the last thing she said correct. Right.
That's a lie. Oh, wow.
Me too.
Ha, it wasn't us. Allie, it's right there in print. He knew us and we knew him. He writes about 2 friends who were inseparable. Rosa...
Rosa Parks.
Lunch?
Take your hands off that woman. She belongs to me. She belongs.
We're not hurting anybody. Besides,
I suppose she didn't give us any choice, did she?
Besides what?
You know, I wish we didn't have to lie to Janet and Miriam.
my dad. Oh, thanks. Sure. I would have put on a coat, but it wasn't in the closet.
It's taken me over 15 years to write something worthy of you.
482 pages.
And besides, Anna was practically an... Oh, hi, I didn't see you come in. Where is the chicken? Here you'd like it.
Okay, here we go.
Sit, boy, sit.
Ever you get crazy, you crave Chinese food.
Kitty cutlets, they're great. Paillard du chat.
And the ability to get away.
Yum, yum, yum.
Here we go.
You can tell they eat a lot of fish, though. Oh, Kate, there's plenty. Pot roast and baby carrots.
Your glazed baby carrots?
You'll stay? Charles and I are having Cornish hens. You're going out.
Oh, good old chicken.
Emma, you really have no idea where Jenny is.
Up, down, up, down. What's going on? Ciao! Willkommen! Bienvenue! Watching your smoking made us... Come on, I'll help you study upstairs.
It does sort of spoil the magic, doesn't it?
No, you dummy!
Hey, could you make that cross a little quicker, please?
What cross, Bill?
After all the nice things, what's in that jar, man?
Nothing. Green. It's green, Bill.
Quiet, everyone.
Would you like to continue with the scene? Do you hear a noise? There's someone downstairs? Very seriously reading. Come on, seriously reading. This is being submitted as a new aerial stand. Your charming shots. All right, we're rolling tape. Why don't you both lean on the camera? We'll get that. Here. Come on, I'll have to look forever. Fine. It's a reasonable shot.
Great, didn't it? This is where the bread went. Quiet, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I was standing at the counter, and the door opened, and he came through the door, calling my name, calling me Anna.
Yeah, yeah.
I was standing and looked through the door and there was Owen Ives. Say his name.
You had the same fantasy I did. Honest to God. Gee.
Rose's onion rings never used to bother us.
We had cast iron stomachs.
Ah, youth.
Is there any place in Manhattan where you can play golf?
Yeah, Connecticut.
I've got to find a new sport.
Jogging.
Please.
Tennis, there's lots of courts.
Too fast and I don't wear white.
True, you need something slow where you can wear colors.
No, forget the colors.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Tennis, there's lots of courts in the city.
Too fast and I don't wear white.
True, you need something slow with a lot of color.
Cleats.
Cleats.
Once again.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Tennis, there's lots of courts in the city. Okay, come on, no fooling around.
Okay, here we go. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tennis, there's lots of courts in the city. It's funnier this way.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Tennis, there's lots of courts.
Too fast and I don't wear cleats.
True, you need a slow sport with color and cleats.
It's not like that.
No.
I don't know what it's like. Done.
How was it?
It's gonna go.
That was what it's very nice. So wrong.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Done. Just think dead pets, dead pets, dead pets.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Done.
Just when you think there's no one around who's caring, along comes a friend who offers a hand in sharing, then things start looking fine. Sometimes tears and sorrow are all the things you've got. Just when you think you're all by yourself, you're not.